Hello and welcome to Let's Try channel. We are studying multimedia. This is multimedia part 3. In previous video, we studied sound and video components of multimedia. In this part of multimedia, we consider animation component of multimedia and its types. Let us consider the fifth component of multimedia, that is animation. From kids to elders, everybody loves animation. Animation is not just a cartoon, but it is more than that. Animation is a technique of creating an illusion of motion by streaming a predefined set of still images through a screen. These set of still images are stored in a particular file format such as GIF, that is graphic interchange format, or video format such as MP4. There will be a subtle or slight difference between the positions of objects contained in each image. To create a sense of movement of objects such as humans, animals, trees, clouds, river, vehicles, etc., animation contains a series of frames of images that are slightly different from previous ones. When these frames are run at a standard speed before our eyes, like 25 frames per second, we feel that the characters are moving or performing. Animation medium deals especially with non-living things such as drawings, sketches, clay models, puppets, and dolls with movable joints or other things. The video created purely by animation is known as cartoons. Animation has got the power to create illusion of life in the non-living things, and hence it is suitable for showing fantasy characters such as Phantom, Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry, Hellboy, Chota Bheem, as well as animals that are extinct now such as dinosaurs or mammoths. In earlier animations, a series of hand-drawn images with minute difference in each were photographed and arranged in a sequence. This collection of photographs were converted to video reels so that they can be played using a video projector. To create a video of 1 minute, about 1500 frames considering 25 frames per second have to be created. Hence, it was very painstaking and time-consuming job and involved very high cost. This page shows animation frames to create a running man scene. And this is the output of those frames when run at a particular speed. Let us know what is digital animation. Today, animation is done using computers. The images for digital animation drawn or created using computers are known as CGI, that is computer generated imagery. Animators use high-speed computers and advanced software to produce animation movies or TV shows. The animation software provides complete set of tools to generate animation characters, objects and environment, give movements, dress them, provide lighting and then render the frames in less time. In modern animation, the animators save lot of time and effort in completing an animation project because of automatic tools available in the software. Let us get aware of latest trends in animation. The latest trends in animation include merging of real scenes with animation scenes, camera tracking to match animation angles with real shots, use of VFX, that is visual special effects, to create natural and supernatural effects like earthquake, explosion, fire, flood, thunder, rain, asteroid hitting earth, horror, monsters, mythological, etc. Using animation, we can create a virtual world of our imagination. For example, recreating past history, making dinosaurs roam the earth, King Kong defending its territory, aliens attacking the earth, complicated action sequences, scientific and fiction scenes, etc., thus increasing total effectiveness of a scene. Let us study the types of animation. There are basically 6 types of animation. They are 2D animation, object animation, frame animation, morphing, stop motion animation and 3D animation. Firstly, we consider 2D animation or two-dimensional animation. 2D animation is an art of creating illusion of movement on a two-dimensional space, such as paper in manual animation or graphic layer in computer-generated animation. 2D animators convey stories or messages by making characters, objects, and backgrounds move in a two-dimensional environment. It is comparatively older medium and still effectively used in TV shows, advertisements, feature films, and documentaries. Even we can also easily create 2D animation using the pages of notebook or using a flip book. The following picture shows some famous 2D animation characters. This page shows some popular 2D animation TV shows. We used to watch some of these on Doordarshan. The second type of animation is object animation. Object animation is the movement of undisturbed or rigid objects around the screen. The objects are not tweaked or squeezed, but they can move around the screen to create the scene. It can use objects such as circles, rectangles, toys, blocks, and dolls. This type of animation is easy to create and is useful in business presentations. For example, custom animation feature of Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This is a simple example illustrating working of object animation. The third type of animation is frame animation. It is also known as frame-by-frame animation. In this, the screen is divided into a number of frames, each containing relative images, which are displayed one after the other to create an effect of motion. The images does not move around the screen, but it changes in every frame to create illusion of movement. The frame animation can be two-dimensional or three-dimensional. It works by turning on and off the frame sections or making frames appear one by one. It uses the same concept as decorative lights. You might have seen the decorative lights hung on a building during festival or ceremony. Those look like moving. Following example illustrates frame animation. The fourth type of animation is morphing. Morphing is the process of transition of one image or object into another with the help of a series of frames. Here, one image is replaced by another image smoothly and not suddenly. To seamlessly or smoothly change from one image to another, a series of points is identified in both the before and the after objects. Morphing animation is useful in illustrating concepts involving time lapses, evolutions, or aging. Example, face of a child changing into a man's face and then to elderly person in a television advertisement. This photo shows frames to morph a young woman to a cheetah. This GIF image shows self-made WinMorph animated morphing by the mentioned author. Let us consider the fifth type of animation, that is stop motion animation. It is also called stop frame animation. In stop frame animation, physical objects are moved in small increments and the individual increments are separately photographed to create a series of frames. Then these frames are run in sequence to get the feeling of motion. Simply, every time the object or its part is moved, its image is captured. The images collected are sequenced to create a video clip. Dolls with movable joints, puppets or clay models are used in stop motion for the ease of repositioning. This photo shows how an animator is clicking photo of dolls to create a frame. This is another example for stop motion animation. Let us study the last type of animation, that is 3D or 3D animation. 3D animation is an improved animation technique where animators create objects of animation in 360-degree environment. Along with the width, that is x-axis, and height, that is y-axis, 3D animation uses depth, that is z-axis also, so that animation seems more realistic. It is a modern type of animation technique where 3D modeling software is used that provides 360-degree, 3-dimension environment to create the animation characters. In case of 3D animation, first objects are created using any 3D modeling software, that is character and architectural modeling. Then these objects are carefully added with shape transformations by spinning and rigging. At last, the objects are coordinated with required motions in an artificial or actual video background through a process called compositing. Then, clothing and lighting effects are added to make realistic scenes. 3D animation is now majorly used in movies of almost all genres to make the scenes more interesting and engaging, creating enthusiasm among audience. Often 3D animation and real videos are merged together through chroma technique where artificial characters act with real actors. This page shows some popular 3D animation cartoons. This page also shows some popular 3D animation cartoons. Let us know where animation is used, that is, applications of animation. Animation is used effectively in the fields of movie making, gaming, advertisement, documentary creation, education, medical, science and technology, space studies, simulation in aviation industry or defense, and so on. These pictures show application of animation in movie, gaming, advertising, and medical fields. Let us know about animation software. Animation applications allow us to create characters, animate them, and render them into a video. Go through these examples. This page shows examples of Blender and Autodesk Maya graphical user interfaces where animators work. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Let's Try channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.